Are your remote data objects, RDO 2.0 application failing because of the msrdo20 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before the technical guide for msrdo20 library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the msrdo20 library, the Microsoft Remote Data Objects, RDO, version 2.0, a legacy localized module providing localized unmanaged localized OLE DB and localized ODBC localized connectivity shims for localized Visual Basic 6.0, localized database, localized automation. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as msrdo20 library DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered msrdo20 library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Warning: msrdo20 library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If msrdo20 library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored msrdo20 library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.